Okay, good day everyone. So for this video, we'll be creating a flat design, just like this one. So over here we have this um, forest flat design. So I've used Photoshop here. So as you can see here, we have different brushes and different type of brushes and colors. Okay, so I'll be opening Photoshop over here. So this is default Photoshop size. So as you can see here, we'll start the we will start from scratch. Yeah. Okay, so just reset the essentials. So over here, I'm going to unlock the background. The background, change it to solid color. So I'll be clicking color here. So by clicking that effect, or by clicking the solid color, you'll be able to see this dialog box that it shows that you can pick a color for your background. Okay, so over here I'll be choosing this light blue. Okay, okay, and then after that we'll be creating another layer. So this just by clicking this create a new layer button over here, so it will create a transparent layer. Okay, so as you can see right there. Okay, so let me just delete this one. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, then we'll click the layer one, which is the first layer that we created. So this is a transparent layer. We'll be using lasso tool over here to draw the mountain right there. Right there. Okay, so as you can see, when I release my mouse, or when I unpress my left mouse button, it will not create, or it will not close the shape of the mountain. So you can see like this one. So it will create another line here. It's because it goes from the start up to the end point of the lasso tool. Okay, so you have to do, you have to go around after uh, after you're done here. So you have to move around the lasso tool under your canvas. So just like this one. So let's do it again. Jose, lasso. Again, let's draw again a mountain. Over here, just like that. And then again, you have to move around. Or you have to go here. And then click the mouse. And then as you can see, we have a whole at least half of the canvas selected by lasso tool, and it will look like yes, it look like a mountain. So next thing you have to do is you have to adjust the color. So by clicking this foreground color, okay. So color picker, you have to at least um, darken the color, just like this one. So as you can see, the B, which is the brightness, is the B radio button is selected. So you just have to lower down the brightness, just like this one. Okay. Okay. Then using paint bucket tool, I'll be clicking the lower part or the mountain itself. Select, and then it will change the color, as you can see here. Okay, so next, I'll be unselecting this part, and then I'll create another layer. So by pressing Ctrl D, you'll be able to unselect this part, and then you can create another layer just by pressing this one. So again, we have another transparent layer over here. So let's try to do it again. Okay, so the second layer of the mountain is already created. So let's, as you can see here, there's some parts here that I didn't want to. It's like curves, too much curve now. So at least let's just make it pointy. So over here, we have this option that subtract subtract from selection. So I'll be clicking this one. So just by clicking this one, then creating this kind of, as you can see there. Okay, then closing this one. It will be unselected. As you can see there, it was unselected. Also this one, this part, we want this one to be like this. Okay, so over here also, let's just make this mountain pointy. Over here, there we go. So this part, okay, so you have to use your imagination here, right there. Okay, and then again, we'll be filling color here using paint bucket tool, but first we have to adjust the brightness, like this one. So foreground color, which is this one, adjust, at least lower the brightness. Okay, and then using paint bucket tool, you have to fill this out. Okay, so you have to do the steps again and again until you create at least 5 layers of mountains. So let's start. Okay, so over here, we're on the last part of our layer, which is the nearest hill. So I'll be like changing the design, like this one. So this is the peak of your hills over here. Okay, so I think that's enough. So we'll be changing the color into the darkest possible color of this color picker. So fill it with paint bucket tool right there. Also here. As you can see, we have at least the mountains or the hills of this image. Okay, press D to unselect. And right now, we'll be adding some other details here, just like the trees and the clouds and also the animals. So I'll be creating another layer for the trees right here, or you can even put it on the same layer with the same color. So over here, I'll be clicking layer 1, which is the far mountain. So under Windows, you have to select brush settings. So over here, I have presets from pre-packed samples, which is I just downloaded it from the internet. Of course, this is free. Uh, on the scene file, I'll be putting also the file on the Google Classroom. Okay, so over here, I'll be choosing maybe this one. As you can see there, the size is too big, so it's because by default, Photoshop will increase the brush size. Okay, so over here, so I'll be changing this one. Maybe it's too small. Right there. So that's 55. So I'll be picking another tree. Right there. Maybe this one. Oh no. For another tree. Maybe this one. Right there. Okay. So again, resize it. Right there. Maybe that's enough. Let's add some more. And 40. Okay. So let's start inserting the trees with the mountain. So here's the trick here. You have to use the same color for the tree. Let's say you'll be adding trees on this layer, which is the far mountain. So you have to pick the color first using eyedropper tool. Right there. So it's already selected the color. So as you can see here, my foreground color, the color was selected. Okay, so whenever I click here, change, go here, change also. So eyedropper or eyedrop tool, color is already selected, brush tool, right there. So we have the trees, so I'm just going to put it here, here, right there. Okay, so we're done with the first mountain, so we'll proceed to the next layer, which is next to it. Okay, so I'll be changing also the color and also the size, of course. So over here, so again, eyedropper, select, and then we'll change the color. At least we have to adjust the brush size to maybe 3 points or 5 right there. Yeah, I think that's enough. Or let's add some more. Maybe 50. Okay, so I think that's right. Okay, so let's start doing. So we're done with the second layer, so you have to do the same thing on the other layers. Okay, okay, so we are on our last layer, which is this one. So I'll just change the brush style. So again, brushes. So let's just change the theme. Maybe this one, or yeah, this one. This one maybe, right there. Okay, so again, let's resize this one. Oh, that's too big. Okay, so maybe this big, right there. Okay, so right there we have the tree. Let's add some other. Maybe this one. Right there. So here, let's add some trees. And another. For this one, let's just add some size here. Right there. Maybe also here. Okay. So let's look for another tree. No, actually. Maybe this one, right there. Okay. So let us put this one here. But I'll just rotate the brush just like this one. So under brushes, just flip this one. Over here. As you can see, I just flipped it right there. Okay. So let's add some animals here. So I'll be choosing this color. Oh no, this one. So color picker or either tool, and then select brushes. So also I downloaded the animal brush style. So let's just look for it. So pet photos, pet, and then load. So let's check. It's loaded here, over there. So we have the pet brushes. So let's check. Over the brushes style here. So over here we have this cat and some other style. But we just choose this one. Right there. Okay. So resize again. Right there. Oh no, should have the same color. Okay, and then brush. Right there. Maybe also here. And let's add some more. And then let's put it on the other side. Maybe this one. And resize. Right there. Okay. So another animal, we'll be adding bird. So again, brushes. Let's load the bird's brush style. Again, import brushes. So again, I just downloaded this brushes from the internet. Brush settings, let's check. Maybe this. I don't know. Let's look for another. Yeah, I think this. And some other. How about this? No. This maybe. But let's resize it. I don't know. Let's look for some other design. Maybe this. Yeah. So let's just resize it. This here. And here. And over here. Okay. So next details that we're going to add is the clouds, maybe. Yeah. Oh, we forgot to add some trees here. So let's add some trees. Okay. Undo. And then select the layer right there. Okay. So next is we'll be adding some clouds. So I'll just draw some clouds here. So another layer right there. And then change the color. So I'll just pick the background color and then adjust it or add some little brightness, a little light color, just like that one. Okay, so let's look for a brush style that maybe look like a cloud, or so let's check this out. This one here. Oh no. Yeah, maybe let's try this out. For the clouds. Right there. Okay, so as you can see, it is not too bright, but it is not doesn't it's not the same color with the sky. Okay, so let's do it here. Like that. And also I'll be putting clouds here in front of the mountain. So all you have to do is to create another layer. So this one. So I'll be putting it here. Okay. So here. Here and here. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll be adding a little bit snow to the very top of the mountain. So we have to choose this one. I'll just put this one at the very start. There. So I'll be choosing another brush style. So let's look for another brush style. Maybe this one. No. Let's look for another. Yeah, maybe this one. No. Let's look for another one. Special effect. Or brush for the snow. Maybe this one. So again, we'll be using the same color to the clouds. Then zoom this in and resize it. Like that one. So here. Okay, and that's enough. There. Okay, so we have here a flat design, a simple flat design using multiple layers and colors. Okay,